Alright, let's talk about building a killer professional portfolio. The kind that makes recruiters and clients say, wow, I need to talk to this person. First up, the homepage. This is your hero section. It's where you introduce yourself. Hi, I'm John Deo, web developer. I build modern, responsive, user-friendly websites. Make sure you've got a clean profile picture or illustration, and don't forget those CTA buttons, Hire Me, Download Resume. Next, the About Me section. Here's where you add a bit of personality. Share your background, your passion for coding, what got you into tech, front-end, back-end, full-stack roles. Now let's talk skills. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, other languages, React, Node.js, Bootstrap, Tailwind, Git, GitHub, VS Code, make it visual, icons, badges, progress bars. The project section is where you can really shine. Pick 3 to 6 of your best projects. Screenshot that pops short. Description: what problem did you solve? How did you solve it? What tech did you use? Live demo, GitHub code. Think e-commerce sites, portfolios, blogging platforms, fun game you built. For your resume or experience, use a timeline. Education, internships, work history, certifications. Keep it clear, keep it easy to scan, and add a download resume button. Testimonials, happy clients, mentors, got a blog? Even better. Short technical posts boost your SEO, show you know your stuff. Contact section, a simple form. LinkedIn, GitHub, Twitter, Instagram. Make it super easy for people to reach you. Finally, don't forget the footer with copyright, quick nav links, socials. Design tip: keep it modern and minimal. Bold fonts, lots of white space, 2 or 3 colors. Max. Make sure it's responsive, adds smooth animations, and has a dark, light mode toggle for that professional touch. And here's the big takeaway: a great portfolio doesn't just tell people what you can do, it shows them. So make every section count and let your work speak for you.